Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to make an automated process for outreaching the guest post. For this purpose, I have written a Python code. You can copy this from the description link. So here I am using this one. So let me remove the test files. Okay, you can change the results how much you need. For example, if you need the 500 result, 1000 result, then just replace with this. For quick solution, I am using this. In my case, I am limiting this to 20. Also, you can change it here. Total emails collected 20, total emails collected 20. So change the limits, how many emails you want to collect, and then simply run the code. Now it will ask for the niche. So my niche is catering. Press the enter. It will work for a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, 16 emails collected in the first batch. I have added a 10 seconds delay to avoid the ban and other limitation or restrictions from the Google. So now you can see 32 emails collected. Let's refresh this. Data saved to the niche emails. Okay, now after refreshing this one, I have the CSV file. Just download this and upload into the drive. Let's see. Okay, let's upload this. Upload. Let's open this. Here you can see it scrapped the web pages related to the catering services and their guest post URL, and also the emails mentioned on the guest post website. So here we have the 32 results, one header. So it's a simple automated process. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.